from Unity to ShiVa. About creating game. Is it hard? Yes, it's really hard. The hardest part, I think, it's to learn new things. And what it's almost harder than that is to remember them. So if you don't take notes and you don't practice what you learn, you're gonna have to relearn over and over, which is crazy. So here I'm gonna show how to search all the AI models in a project. So it's really useful if you use the sample project. Example, you want to search for something special with an example code. So you can put all the AI you want into one project, or you can search in the sample. There's good example there. There's 20 model AI. So you don't need to open a game, you just go here, Data Explorer, Resource, AI Model. You pick one, Control A to select all, right click, open selection. Then you go in your AI model editor. You're gonna have all the AI model open here. Like you can view, which is really useful. You go and edit, find, you check in all AI open. It's gonna remember your couple of your last search, so it's useful too. Then you click find, and here in the find section you double click and you're gonna have one by one each. It's a global search. It's gonna give you in each AI where you can find uncensored collision. Second thing I want to show is how to parent. In Unity, you just drag one on the other. It's a little bit similar in ShiVa. I'm gonna create a box. Well, I already create one. So here's my box. I drag it. It's pink because there's no texture on it or material. Then I'm gonna have a cylinder here. So they're not parented. As soon as I select one, it shows in the Scene Explorer, which is a little bit like we saw the hierarchy, but give more information than the hierarchy. So to parent the cylinder to the box, I select the here or here, the cylinder, and I hold Control, left click, and I drag on the other. Here it is. And now after I can move the parent and it's gonna move. If I want to select the child, well, it doesn't select by itself. To do it the same way as Unity, come here, click single, you can select single. You can move your child like in Unity, and the parent won't say anything. And you can move the parent and the child will move. To separate them, you right click and choose ungroup selection. There's other feature you can do with this selection. I'm just gonna keep that simple like that. So ungroup selection, and they're free. Another thing in ShiVa you can do Skybox ambience editor. You create all your ambience. So here you got sky, it's your Skybox. Basically here you choose front -z, you choose your material created. So Chinese lamp, can choose that. I mean, and you see it appear right away. I can have some Skybox here, material, Skybox black back. Here we see under the Skybox appear. Skybox, I just go randomly front, which is should be right. Skybox right. You kind of get the idea. So I hope you learned something and keep the hard work.